सौभ्राद्र सौहार्दतमारुरुक्षता सौख्यप्रदं शोभन अक्षयं शुभं सौख्यप्रदं शोभन अक्षयं शुभं सौख्यप्रदं शोभन अक्षयं शुभम् अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरु केशवानन्द भारती नमः तस्मै श्रीगुरु केशवानन्द भारती नमः.
May I now read?
Edneer is having been established about 1000 years ago by Totakacharya, one of the four prominent disciples of Sri Shankaracharya. Since 1961 until 2020, Sri Keshavananda Bharati Swamiji held post of Pontiff, known for his forthrightness, his vision, his devotion for art, culture, music, and also especially folklore art, Yakshagana. Fine amongst us justice law in Jagadguru Venkatanarayana Law College, Bangalore, enrolled as an advocate in 1987 and started Puttur, SDM Law College, Mangalore, Venkatanarayana Law College, Puttur.
Shree Udayavalla, Senior Advocate, Bangalore, former Advocate General, Karnataka, and former Director General of Prosecution, State of Kerala, Kasaragod and Hostur Courts, Advocates of Kerala. We are celebrating the Golden Jubilee celebration of the landmark judgment, His Holiness Keshavananda Bharati Swamy and others versus State of Kerala and another. We have thought it fit to bring awareness about the important points raised in Sri Keshavananda Bharati case among the students and the entire public. The seminars with the presentation of the matter with the discussion will help the students and advocates and public to enrich their knowledge. They felt it appropriate to arrange seminars at the apt time of 50 years after the judgment. I feel it my privilege to be with you all on this occasion. We are very fortunate to have with us His Lordship Justice Sarasa Venkatanarayana Bhatti, Honorable Judge Supreme Court of India among us, and also Mr. Justice N. Nagaresh, Honorable Judge High Court of Kerala. We have formed this committee with the association of the presidents and secretaries of bar associations of Kasaragod district, Dakshina Kannada district, Udupi district, and the directors, principals of law colleges of Manjeshwar, SDM College of Mangalore, SDM Law College Mangalore, Vivekananda Law College Puttur, KVG College of Law Sulya, and Sri Vaikunta Baliga Law College Udupi. Under Articles 14, 19, 1, 25, 26 and 31 of the Constitution, he prayed for striking out the provision of Kerala Land Reforms Act 1969 to be declared as unconstitutional, ultra-virus and void on the ground that some of its provisions violated the principles of fundamental rights. Indian Parliament passed the 3 constitution amendments in the meantime, that is 24th, 25th and 29th amendment during the pendency of the above petition. Accordingly, the petitioner was permitted to amend the writ petition so as to challenge validity of the 24th, 25th and 29th amendments. Totally 6 petitions were filed and all the 6 petitions were heard together. But the main case was Shree Keshavananda Bharati case. The Constitution bench of the Apex Court referred the case to a larger bench constituted with 13 judges, being the full strength of the then bench of the Supreme Court. The main issue involved therein was as to what is the extent of the amending powers conferred by Article 368 of the Constitution besides Article 13(2) with the Parliament. The case was heard for several months. Eminent jurists Sri N.A. Palkiwala, C.K. Daftari, Mr. M.C. Chagla, Mr. Soli Saurabji, Mr. Amit Dhawan and Mr. K.J. Harindranath and other advocates appeared for the petitioners and argued the case. Never in the history of the Honorable Supreme Court of India such legal luminaries were arrayed on either side. Finally, after hearing the matter, the majority of the judges, 7-6, held that Parliament has no power of amending the Constitution so as to take away or abridge the basic structure or framework of the Constitution. Here, I remember the words of jurist Sri N.A. Palkiwala in describing the case. He referred as, history may look upon Keshavananda Bharati case as the greatest contribution of India to constitutional jurisprudence. These are the words of jurist N.A. Palkiwala. Sri Keshavananda Bharati Swamiji is instrumental to the landmark decision to save democracy if it destroys the basic structure. On 26th November 1975, a bench of 13 judges of the Supreme Court of India assembled to hear the plea of the Government of India that the decision of Keshavananda Bharati case should be overruled. Objections were filed on behalf of the citizens. But after hearing the arguments for 2 days, the bench was dissolved. Thus, the attempt to remove the name of Keshavananda Bharati from the pages of our constitutional history and attempt to confer an unlimited power on the Parliament to amend the Constitution had a happy end. I think the fitting tribute to Sri Keshavananda Bharati Swamiji is, if you are able to start a law college in the name of His Holiness Sri Keshavananda Bharati Swamiji at Edneer, we request the blessings of all the legal luminaries and leading personalities in this respect. So, I am very thankful to be with the legal luminaries and getting this occasion, on this auspicious occasion. Thank you, one and all.